So to cover your priority box to do the stacked books, I went ahead and just grabbed 2 pieces of cardstock that were 8.5 by 11, and then I went ahead and just grabbed my bone folder and lifted up the edges around the box. I just placed it right in the middle, and then I just folded the paper around the little lines of where it kind of folded up around the box, and I'm just flattening them out with my bone folder. And I just found that this was the easiest way to, kind of get that score line. Once you're done getting that all folded over and creased, you're going to go ahead and grab your scissors, and you're going to cut in between the little score lines that you have there on each end. Okay, so once you get everything burnished down, you get your score lines and everything, you're going to go ahead and grab your score tape, and you're going to place the tape on the edge of each flap. Okay, so I already did the bottom part of my box, and now I'm just putting on the top part, and you're just going to bring up both sides of the flaps, or all 4 sides, and attach them to the box. And you can go ahead and you can glue down those little tiny flaps onto the box if you would like, and then you're just going to bring over your flap, and there you go, and there is your box all covered for you. Okay, y'all, so now I've already covered all my boxes, and now I'm just going to share with you what I used in order to create the little spring stacked books. I went ahead and covered the boxes, and these were just old. Actually, I'm terrible. I save my boxes, you guys, when I receive Happy Mail, or I order stuff through the mail or whatever, or if I do swaps. And these are actually covered little post office first class mailing boxes. Okay, and I started looking, because I was going to go get regular books, but I thought, why not just use these and cover them? So that's what I did. And yeah, so the sides are just, the plain, they have the paper edges here. But, and I might go ahead and cover those. I don't really know what I'm going to do yet. I haven't decided. But I was in the middle of decorating, and so I thought I would do a quick little tutorial for you guys. I went to Michael's, and I haven't been there in forever. And I'm bending over because I want to share with you guys real quick how I'm going to decorate this box, these boxes. I bought this vine, and it has the Easter colors on it, and I thought it was so stinking pretty. So I went ahead and cut off a piece, okay? And so I have this piece here. I'm going to put it on top of here like this. Okay, so the stem is actually going to be down here, okay? Then I'm going to add to it. So I will be cutting off other little pieces. I'm going to add to this down here so it's not so plain, okay? So it'll have little pieces down here. And then I also ran into, you guys, oh my god, so stinking cute, ran into some other little fun decorations. Now I don't know if I will be using these for the box or not, but I went ahead and got them anyway because I might make a wreath. So so I thought that these were super cute. So how cute would that be to sit on top of the box? So I bought 2 of these. So I bought 2 of those, and I love the little eggs they had. And then I bought some little carrots. So I don't know if I'll use the carrots or the little eggs. I don't know yet. And then I saw this little bunny, you guys, and oh my gosh, so stinking cute, right? Oh, and look at the little flower. Oh my gosh, I absolutely loved him. So I thought that would be super cute to use. I also did a haul on these stickers, and I think I already posted that for you guys, but I thought that this would be super cool to use, and it is. And so I love the letters. So I went ahead and already poked out some letters off of here. See, I don't know where they are. Where are they? Oh, here they are. So I poked out some letters through here already. These are the white letters. I opted for black, okay, and this is where I'm gonna put my letters. So I'm actually gonna move this here, okay, And I'm going to put this here. Now, the one thing that I do have to say about these letters, they do stick, but you are going to have to use some glue behind them, just a tad, okay? They don't stick down very, like they're not super sticky, which is kind of nice in a way, because then you can lift them up and move them around until you're ready to stick them down. So I guess there's a plus and a negative to these. So yeah, so I was really happy about that. So I'm going to place my stickers here. So I'm going to go ahead and go fast forward through this, and I hope you enjoy. So. So once I glued down the floral vine, I went ahead and just cut up some pieces and then stuck them on and built them up along the side of the floral vine green part stem. So then I went ahead and added on my letters here, and just kind of I gauged it, just eyeballed it where I wanted all of my letters to sit. Okay, you guys, so there is my finished box, and I hope you guys like it. Turned out super cute. And so I just stuck this, okay, so you guys saw me lay down all like this piece here, and I just added flowers in through here and hot glued everything in through the vine. And then this long piece with the eggs on it, I glued down, and then I just went ahead and glued the bunny down first, okay, on top of that. And then, and I apologize for not videotaping that. I thought I had the video on, but it wasn't. And so sorry about that. But I just kind of added on things around the bunny. And I used these little white things, the foliage right here. These are white foliages. These are actually from the Dollar Tree. And then the pink flowers, I believe, are from the Dollar Tree too, that I had in my stash. I added some little ivy leaves right here that I had in my stash, and I only had 3 of them, I believe. Yeah, only 3, so I used those up. And then I added these cute little purple flowers right here. See that right there, that clump, and then I added another clump right in through there. And they just were so cute, and I only had like 6 of them left, so I thought, why not use them, right? And so I went ahead and added those in there. Now the bunny, again, I added the bunny before I added all of these flowers around him or her. So she's just hot glued down right in through there, and I think I need to add some more hot glue back there. But she's pretty much stuck on there. Everything's pretty much glued really tight on there. So, and then you saw me glue my boxes together, and I did that because I wanted them to be one solid piece, so that way when I pack it, or whoever packs this can just set it down inside of their storage container for, you know, spring decor or their Easter decor, whatever. And I just thought that would be so cute. So anyway, but anyway, I hope you guys like it. You'll probably see the tutorial, not the tutorial, the YouTube hop before I show you guys this video. But anyway, thank you guys so much, and I'm going to try to remember to turn on the recorder before while I'm doing my projects. I've done that a few times already, and I'm so sorry, so I apologize. Anyway, thanks so much for joining me, you guys. Take care and happy spring. Hey y'all, thanks for joining me today. Please like, subscribe, and comment on my channel. And thanks so much for joining me today. On the left and right hand corner, I have some more videos for you guys to view. Take care.